Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add a Visa gift card to Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So a few information before we actually add our Visa gift card. So in this case, there's only a few cards that you could actually, or gift cards that you could actually link to your Cash App. So in this case, if you want to try linking your gift card or your Visa gift card into Cash App, what you need to do here is you first need to open up the mobile application, and from there, tap your profile icon from the home screen. Now from there, look for link banks and click on link bank, and from there just follow the prompts for you to link your gift card. Now once you link your gift card, you could go ahead and cash in through your Cash App. Now from there, click on the money tab that you see on the Cash App home screen. Then from there, click on add cash and enter or choose the amount that you need to cash in and just press on add. Now from there, just confirm by using your Touch ID or your PIN. Now again, depending on what gift card you are actually linking, you might be able to link it, or Cash App might reject your link. But in this case, you could go ahead and just try it, and if that doesn't work, then currently it does not accept that kind of card as of this moment. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.